mentioned.
Jatend Migago mar jotije pachoka Florence Bore owacho ni piny owacho osechiwore mar neno ni rowere ma pachoka oyudo tije kaka nosingi gi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto e kinde ma kampen. Bore owuoyo e kinde mano ya ayanga kar timo rako kod kar yweyo moro e boma ma Nairobi, kama owacho ni piny owacho osechako tiyo kanyakla kod riwruoge moko kod joket mwandu mar neno ni giloso thuolo mag tije ne rowere ma thurka. Kar timo rako no biro miyo johera mag tuke mopogore opogore thuolo makare mar timo tiegruok maggi kapok gidhi e piem.
Big investment. And apart from the big investments, many Kenyans have been employed. I'm told Kenyans that have been employed in this project are about 400. And I want to take this opportunity to congratulate the owners and to tell them this is the way to go. Thank you for creating jobs for Kenyans. Thank you for giving a chance to Kenyans to work.
We've employed over 400 people and we expect to employ even more going forward. But right now we're starting with the 400, and most of them, even the skaters that are skating with us right now, that are going to train people to skate, are the skaters that skate in Nairobi town most of the time in Sundays. They usually don't have a place to skate, but right now they have a place to skate. They're having fun while they're earning something at the end of the day.
Now it is going to be a good sport, a sport where you can just come and enjoy yourself. But more importantly, for our kids in Kenya to learn, and especially Nairobi, I want to tell them, Nairobi, we don't have many fields where kids could go and play. So today we are happy to see such a venture, and a venture that will take in young people who will now move on.
So Nairobi now becomes the hub in East Africa and Africa in general to make sure that the kids and those people that skate get an opportunity to showcase their talent and display their talent along here instead of doing it in the streets. And of course, expand their skating prowess within a secure environment within parklands.
Wadhi nyime kwa Ramogi owuoye ma otimore Nairobi kod